Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to force a page or app to close in Chrome on your PC. It can be quite frustrating when a tab or application stops responding, but worry not. We've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. On your computer, open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right of the screen, click on the three dots icon, which represents More. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on More Tools, and then select Task Manager. Step 4. Now, locate the specific page, extension, or app that you'd like to close in the Task Manager list. Step 5. Once you've found it, simply click on End Process to force it to close. And there you have it. You've successfully closed a stubborn page or app on Chrome. Hopefully, this quick tip helps you out when you encounter unresponsive tabs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.